Every town has at least one really dangerous road or intersection. For drivers in Seattle, this is the I-5 Union Street off-ramp near the Seattle Convention Center. Drivers enter the off-ramp at 60 miles per hour, but fail to slow down to 20 miles per hour for the sharp, nearly 90-degree turn up ahead. This is causing drivers to slam against the tunnel wall and slide along the wall as they exit, and even go through the intersection and potentially hitting pedestrians crossing the road or on the sidewalk. Normally when exiting a freeway via an off-ramp, most drivers expect some sort of gradual transition from high speeds to low speed. But on this freeway off-ramp, it happens too quickly. 1 minute you were going close to 60 miles per hour. The next you were transitioning from daylight to a short dark tunnel with a sharp right-hand turn. After entering the off-ramp, there is a bright yellow sign telling drivers to slow down and exit at 30 miles per hour. Just after that is another sign warning of a right-hand turn and slow to 20 miles per hour, and another sign saying that there is an intersection with traffic lights just up ahead. All of that combined seems to be catching people unfamiliar with the area off guard, and they cannot react quick enough to the changing conditions and violently slam into the wall. This particular off-ramp has been a problem for years, so much so that local resident and YouTuber Michael Basconcelo has even set up a camera on a building overlooking the tunnel exit to capture any accidents that happen and upload them to his YouTube channel, and has been doing so since 2017. Now I can understand some people having a problem transitioning from daylight to a dark tunnel, and their eyes didn't adjust quick enough to the changing conditions, and therefore did not see the signs. But Michael has recorded various nighttime accidents also, so you can't exactly blame transitioning from daylight to dark tunnel as the main problem. The various departments of transportation that manage the off-ramp and surrounding streets have replaced several warning signs with higher visibility alternatives, added reflective posts and markers, and also added the additional speed warning underneath the exit signs in 2021. But this apparently isn't enough, because Michael's camera has captured at least 6 additional crashes in the years since the new signage has gone up. Michael believes that something like rumble strips on the road might help distracted drivers pay attention and slow down earlier. But in the end, it's up to every driver to pay attention to signs and take precautions when road conditions are changing, especially when you are unfamiliar with the area. Anyway, that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.